The turnaround time that we talk about, it's gone. A client says, if you can't turn it around in 20 minutes, I'll find somebody else who knows how to use ChatGPT better. I have always said in my videos since 2009, yes, since 2009, I've always said agency people are selling fruits and vegetables where we need to sell recipes. 20 minutes before I came in here, I forgot to create content for a large piece that I needed to deliver to a client. I called up my team and I said, while I'm driving, can you go to ChatGPT and tell me the top 18 points? They gave me the 18 points. I looked at the 6-7 that I wanted to talk about, and then I was ready for my client meeting. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what I feel is going to happen for your business, the agency business, with all the AI that's coming. Watch this video till the very end. Some parts of it are very, very scary. Skip it if you don't like it, but that's the fact and that's the truth. I learned it for myself. It took me a week to digest it and say, oh shit, we fast forwarded into the future so fast. But if you look at it, it was long coming. And this is the state of the union of the agency world with the new AI. Watch till the very end. Ladies and gentlemen, 20 minutes before I came in here, I forgot to create content for a large piece that I needed to deliver to a client. I called up my team and I said, while I'm driving, can you go to ChatGPT and tell me the top 18 points? They gave me the 18 points. I looked at the 6-7 that I wanted to talk about, and then I was ready for my client meeting. It was scary. For me, in the middle of the night, to send a message to my team to say cross country, I'm in Canada, my team is in India, to be able to deliver a document, it took me 10 minutes. It seemed like the best content writer with the best project mind is working in my office 24/7 and gave me answers. Now this very easily has the opportunity to replace a content writer. Scary. Second, I came across these tools, the lists are over here. All of these tools create video graphics for you in less than 2 minutes that you can send to your clients in less than 20 minutes. So what happens now to the TAT that agency owners talk about? The turnaround time that we talk about, it's gone. A client says, if you can't turn it around in 20 minutes, I'll find somebody else who knows how to use ChatGPT better. Oh my God, are they still going to pay us the same amount of money for it? So what happens to the designing business? Scary as well. Third, a lot of people say, hey, I'm in the web development business. Guess what? Look at these tools that have come out. They help you deliver state-of-the-art websites with the best pictures. They will find the pictures for the beach, for the city hotel, for wherever you want, and the right people, the right images, the right family. You put in the keywords, it will start coding the website right in front of you. Isn't that scary? So now with all of these scary things, what's going to happen to us? What's going to happen to you and me? What's going to happen to the agency business? And this is what I feel is going to happen. I have always said in my videos since 2009, yes, since 2009, I've always said agency people are selling fruits and vegetables where we need to sell recipes. Let me explain this to you. You go outside a restaurant, especially in a place like India, you'll find a fruit seller and a vegetable seller sitting outside famous restaurants. Now, you will pick up a piece of apple or some vegetables and you will negotiate with that person because you feel that what they're selling is commoditized and anybody else can do the same service. Then you walk into that nearby restaurant where you ask yourself for some Indian food, some Thai curry, some vegetable chow mein, some paneer tikka masala. All of those things you don't negotiate for because you cannot decipher what went into this. You feel the price is right and you order the whole dish. If you compare apples to apples, things have changed. You cannot become a fruit seller. Nobody's going to pay you enough money to run an agency. You need to have your own recipe. And a recipe means your own skill, your own blueprint, your own method to making things work. See, a gym owner or a gym trainer can today give you a recipe on what you need to do. Will you take the recipe and says, yes, I can do it? No. Fortunately, a human body works very differently and the gym person has to tailor make programs for you. You slept late, you slept little, you have less muscle, more muscle, you have a backache, you have a knee injury. They will continue tailor making things for you every single day, continue motivating you. There are so many variables And that is called human management in training, and that's called project management in the agency world. So as a project manager, you need to wear the cap of a consultant and not the cap of a secretary. A secretary will say yes to things like, yes, I can sell you a fruit. Yes, I can sell you SEO. Yes, I can sell you PPC, because those things are going to become redundant. Yes, I can sell you content. It's going to become redundant. But if I can sell you a strategy, if I can become a consultant, if I can take you from where you are to where you want to be with my own two-step method, three-step method, and constantly evaluate and reevaluate and invent and reinvent different paths to the same goal for your client, you are relevant. And I don't think ChatGPT can do anything to you. That, ladies and gentlemen, is where social media agency owners like you and I will safeguard ourselves, because we will now announce to the world that I am not an expert in everything. I know a few things, and therefore my micro niche. Number 2, I don't offer every skill like vegetables and fruits. I offer a recipe. Number 3, I offer it for a certain amount of people, a certain subset of people. And finally, I promise a particular transformation. And a transformation could be, I help you get more leads for your school. I help you get more conversions for your room business. I help you sell more apartments. I help you get more memberships into your gym. Don't promise everything. The world has changed. I think it's time for super specialists with super niche recipes. You go out there and create your own recipe formula. Create your own blueprint. Create your own system that will give client results. To be able to do that, this is not the first video you need to watch. Go back and watch my other videos on how to find your micro niche, how to outreach. Once you watched all of those videos on basic skill buildings on an agency, then come back to this video and say, now I want to become a consultant. And in the following videos, I'm going to tell you how to think like a consultant and not like a secretary. Because most agency people dress like consultants, work like secretaries with no bank balance, minimal or low profits, and always on anxiety and nerves. What's going to happen to my agency? When is it going to shut down? This channel, ladies and gentlemen, is for you. All you agency owners, I'm going to make sure that none of your agencies perish. All your agencies start growing. You start seeing 10x growth, but follow these systems and processes. For every single video of mine, I create a checklist. You go to the description, you'll find the checklist. It has the Internet Moguls logo, it has the system, and it has all the points. Download the checklist, put it on your softboard, share it with your team. As you go through multiple videos, you'll have multiple checklists, and you'll very soon be able to create an ecosystem around you that you and your team can follow to come out of all of these problems, all of these challenges, to be able to scale your agency. Is the business going anywhere? Not in the near future. Can you still 10x your growth? Absolutely. Is it still profitable and you can do whatever you want with this? Absolutely a fantastic model. I spend most of my time running my agency. I will make sure that as I'm talking to the top agency owners around the world and the top clients around the world, whatever learnings that I have, I come back and create videos for you every single week on this channel. If there is anything that from my network you want to learn, email me, ask me a question. I will read every single email and either reply to it myself or find a skilled resource in my office and have them reply back to you on email. This channel is for you. Subscribe now and don't forget to watch the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Hi guys, Avi here. Thank you very much for watching this episode. It's so much fun bringing all of this to you, but honestly, it is difficult editing, post-production, getting people together. But when you watch till the very end, it feels great. So thank you very much. Now I'm going to give you something. An opportunity to connect with me and my ecosystem. I have an email called workwithaviarya@gmail.com. Now, what are the possibilities of working with me? Number one, if you are somebody who's liking this content that I'm putting out and saying, you know what, Avi, I want to get into your coaching. I want to get into your ecosystem. I want to understand how this works. I have a school called the Internet Moguls Business School, where we have 2 programs for entrepreneurs. Send me an email at workwithaviarya, subject Internet Moguls Business School. And then tell me about your business, what are the challenges that are happening. And accordingly, one of our sales consultants will call you, they'll tell you about your business, and finally they'll connect you with me. And we'll see if you're the right fit to work together. Number 2, if you want me to consult with you, just consulting one-on-one, understanding your business, giving you a 3-month, 5-month roadmap. So work with Avi subject consulting, and then give me all the details about your business. Next, if you want my agency to help you, you could be a product or a service, a coach, a trainer, whatever. You want us to help us set up your get known, get leads, get sales, and set up a proper system for you. Then same thing. work with Avi Arya, and in the subject you will write agency help, and in the end tell me exactly what you want me to do for you and what are the challenges that you face. And if you want to work with me in my team as a freelancer, as part-time, full-time, get into the team, work remotely from anywhere in the world, again, work with Avi Arya and say, I want to join your team, and then tell me about yourself. Ideally, for all these things, when you put in a subject, follow it with a nice micro video so I know more about you. Because I check every email myself and I'd love to get back to you and connect you with the right people in the right company. So eventually, when we talk, we have all these things figured out. Finally, if you want to interview me for your podcast or your YouTube channel, email me at podcastwithaviarya@gmail.com. So there you go. Two ways to connect with us. Work with Avi Arya, and you've got the multiple options, and you've got podcast with Avi Arya, and we can podcast together. So thank you very much for watching the videos. Don't forget to watch all these videos. Send me an email. Would love to hear from you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Avi Arya, signing off for now. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. There's a link over here which has got all my emails for you to get in touch with me as well. Click on the link and get in there. See you. Look forward to hearing that email from you. Bye for now.